Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the CRKT, of course. What do we have here? Montosa. Montosa is a very, very interesting knife, and we're gonna just do a quick review of this guy real quick. This is an interesting knife. I really like the design. Overall length is gonna be 7.75 inches with a 4.4 inch long handle and a 3.3 inch long blade. This is a relatively inexpensive knife, guys. It's gonna cost you around $60. It's made in China. It's a nice liner lock designed by Richard Rogers right over here. It's the main feature that attracted me is this really cool modified ship's foot blade. Look at that. I think the design of this blade is incredible. This guy has G10 scales and just one liner on the lock side, which is reaching the end like there. It's very, very interesting because it's very slim. It's kind of sleek. I like it. It's running on washers, has nice thumb studs. The blade is 8CR13 MOV bead blasted. Nicely done, guys. I like the contrast with this standoff of thumb stud. I appreciate the anodized pivot collar and back spacer / lanyard whole loop. It's really nice, guys, I have to say. Oh, in the pocket also is gonna be like 3.1 ounces. 3.1 ounces, guys, for like a 7.75 inch long blade. Yeah, sign me up. This is a very cool one, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.